Hello students, I am Vivek Saxena, your teacher. So, yesterday I told you exercise 1.1 of class 8th. I have made you understand from question 1 to 5. And now, in this video, I am telling you, I am making you understand question 6 to 10. So, question number 6, exercise 1.1, class 8th. Multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. What is the question? Multiply 6 upon 13. So you have to multiply 6 upon 13 by what number? You have to multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is reciprocal. Reciprocal means the denominator goes upside and the numerator goes downside. So the reciprocal of this rational number is 16 upon 7. So the 16 upon 7 and minus would remain same. Minus will be as it is. So you have to multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is 16 upon 7 minus 16 upon 7. So the answer is 16 multiplied 6 is equal to 96 and plus minus and 13 sevens are 91. That's your final answer. Okay students. Now question number 7. Tell the property. What kind of property is this? This is your question. And tell us what kind of property is this. So you are watching. We know that A multiply and in bracket B multiply C is equal to A multiply B in bracket and multiply C. Here you see that B and C are in bracket, and here you see that B and A and B are in bracket. So here B and C are in bracket and here A and B are in bracket. So this kind of action is called associative property, and you are watching that this is also associative property because A, B and C are in bracket, and here A into B are in bracket but C is outside. So A, B, C and A, B, C and both the LHS and RHS are as it is what I have told you in the property, associative property. Hence our answer is associative property. This action is associative property. Now question number 8. In question number 8 it is saying that is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. Is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse? 8 upon 9 a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. So let's check. Since 8 upon 9, if we multiply 8 upon 9 by minus 1 whole 1 upon 8, so we find 8 upon 9 will remain as it is. Multiply is equal to multiply, and 8 ones are 8 and now plus 1. So what remains? 9 upon 8. 8 ones are 8 and plus 1, so 9 upon 8 and minus will remain as it is. Now if we multiply both the rational numbers, so 9 can be cut by 9 and 8 can be cut by 8. So what remains? 1 upon 1 multiply minus 1 upon 1. So 1 ones are 1 and in the denominator side we will not write here 1. So plus minus 1. But so no. The answer is no. It was asking is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8? No. Because what's the reason? Because the product is not 1. The product is minus 1. The product is not 1. If we get the product 1, so this would be the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. But here you see that the result is minus 1, not 1. The result is minus 1. Hence, the product is not 1. So, minus 8 upon 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. Okay. Now, question number 9 is the same question. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3? Let's check. Since 0.3 multiply 3 whole 1 upon 3. If we multiply both the rational numbers, so we can remove decimal. So in the downside, we can add, we can increase 10. We can write here 10, because to the right side of decimal only we see only one digit. So we will write at the downside only 10. If we see here 2 digits, so we will write here 100. If we see here at the right side of decimal 1, 2, 3 digits, so we will write here 1230 means 1000. But here you see that only to the right side of decimal we see one digit. So you will write here, by removing the decimal, you will write here at the denominator only 10. Now multiply by 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 10 upon 3. So 10 can be cut by 10 and 3 can be cut by 3. Here you see that your answer is only 1, because all the rational numbers have been cut. So the answer is only 1. Yes. Hence we can say that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3, because the product is 1. Because the product is 1, we have found the product, the result 1. Hence 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3. Okay. So here I have solved the question from question 1 to 9. And question number 10 and 11 you can solve yourself, because these are the true and false and fill in the blanks questions type. Now I am solving exercise 1.2 before you. In the first question it says represent these rational numbers on the number line. So 7 upon 4 can be represented by using the number line. You want to know that how I can make a number line. You see here, this is the 0, and to the right side of the 0 we can write the positive rational numbers, and to the left side of the 0 we can write the negative rational numbers. So 7 upon 4 is the positive rational number, so I can represent this 7 upon 4 to the right side of the 0. So 7 upon 4 means the denominator is 4. Hence let's start by 1 upon 4, because the denominator is 4. So 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4. This is 7 upon 4 and 7 upon 4 is here. So this is our answer. A, you can write here A. A means answer. Your answer is 7 upon 4 and this can be represented here. Now 4 can be cut by 4. So only you can see here 1. And 8 can be cut by 4 2 times. 4 2s are 8. So here you can write 2. So 1, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. And here between 1 and 2, here you see your answer 7 upon 4. Now in the same way, minus 5 upon 6, because this is the negative rational number. So you can show this negative rational number to the left side of 0, to the left side of the 0. So the 0, you are watching here 0, and to the left side of the 0 you are watching minus 5 upon 6, to the denominator is 6. So minus 1 upon 6, let's start from 6. Minus 2 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, minus 6 upon 6. And 6 can be cut by 6. Here you can write minus 1. So our answer is this. Minus 5 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6. This is our answer. And the answer comes between 0 to minus 1. Here is the place of showing minus 5 upon 6. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. This is the question number 3. Because question number 2 you can do yourself. So find 10 rational numbers between both the rational numbers. First of all, what's your duty? First of all, you have to write both the rational numbers, minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Now you have to make the denominators same. 5 and 2. You have to make the denominators same. So how would you make the denominators same? Multiply this rational number by 2. So 2 multiply 2 and multiply this rational number by 5. So 5 multiply 5. Here you are seeing 5 multiply 5 and 2 multiply 2. Now it becomes minus plus minus. 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. 1 5s are 5 and 2 5s are 10. Now you are watching that minus 4 upon 5, 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. Between these two rational numbers we have to find 10 rational numbers. So can you find? Can you find easily? No. Why? Because between them minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, I am telling you minus 4 upon 10. From this number I am starting. So between them minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 3 upon 10, minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10, 0 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10. So here is not 10 rational numbers. You cannot find easily 10 rational numbers. There are short of 10 rational numbers. So hence we will have to multiply again by any kind of number. So you can multiply by 2 into 2, by 2 into 2, or you can multiply by 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. You can multiply by 10 into 10 and 10 into 10 as you like. So here you see minus plus minus and 4 2s are 8, 10 2s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Now the denominators are same and the denominators and between minus 8 and 10 you can find easily your 10 rational numbers. Minus 8 upon 20, from this rational number start. Minus 7 upon 20, minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 2 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20, and now 0 upon 20. So 20 we will not write it because the denominator of the 0 you will not write. Now 1 upon 20 and 2 upon 20 you can write easily, or other rational numbers till 10 upon 20, because we can write here 3 upon 20, 4 upon 20, 5 upon 20, 6 upon 20, 7 upon 20, 8 upon 20, 9 upon 20. But here we do not need to write such more rational numbers. We only need to write only 10 rational numbers. So 10 has been completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we have found our 10 rational numbers, and in this way you can solve your other questions. Now question number 6. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Minus 2 say greater than minus 2. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So here you are watching your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So here you are watching, we have to write the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So minus 2 is here, and greater than minus 2 is minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 rational numbers I have written here. You can write easily infinite rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. But here you have to only write 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. So minus 2 is here, and the greater than minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational numbers you have written here, because it is asking write only 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So I have written here only 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. If it says write 5 rational numbers smaller than minus 2, so we will write here minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. These all rational numbers would be shorter, would be lesser, would be smaller than minus 2. Okay, so this is the process of doing this sum. Thank you very much. Now all the sums you will do yourself, and chapter 1 has been completed of class 8th by Vivek Saxena. Thank you very much.